Hi guys, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here to bring you all the information you need for this Saturday at Dollar General. This is going to be your 5 off 25 deals. There's an early activation deal and I'm coming up with a deal at Walgreens for you. Right now you can get 20 4x6 prints for just a penny each when you use code PENNY20, so don't miss out on that. We have our cheat sheet here for you. This will be on the website. There is a second page to this. I will have that linked and it will also go onto our community tab here on YouTube. So let's hop right into our deals. We have for $12.75 your chimichangas, your Ensure, your cereal, and your sour punch. And again, that's just $12.75. Our next deal for $10.70 is a 12-pack of Pepsi, your Ensure, and your Lay's chips. And you can change out the flavor as long as it's attaching to the coupons. Again, that's $10.70. This deal here, you're going to get a DiGiorno stuffed pizza. You're going to get your munchies and 3 of the Mountain Dew for $17.40. Make sure you scan the pizzas. I believe it might have to be the Supreme. This household deal, you're going to get 3 Kleenex, your Scott paper towels, and toilet paper, Penolin. You're going to get 2 Airwick warmers and the Arm & Hammer for just $11.26 on Saturday. For this deal, you're going to grab your Persil, your Purex, your Febreze, and your 2 Airwick warmers and pay just $6.81. You're going to grab some Palmolive, some Febreze, Mr. Clean Freak, you're going to get 2 of those, your Cottonelle, and your Febreze plug for just $6.95. On this one, you're going to get your 2 oil refills. Those are the 2-pack, 2 Fabuloso, an Airwick, and a Palmolive for $10.25. You're going to grab 2 Mr. Clean Freak and the Airwick Mist Starter Kit for $8. On this deal, you're going to grab your Gain sheets, your Scott, your Penolin, and your Gain liquid, plus 2 warmers for $9.36. On the Gain items, always make sure you scan them to make sure the scent you are picking is attaching to your coupons. On this one, you're going to get your Gain sheets, your Cottonelle, your Gain liquid, the beads, and a Colgate Optic White for just $11.50. Again, because there's the Gain items, make sure you're scanning so that they attach. I used the 675 beads in this deal because we have a bunch of detergents that are marked down. For this one, you're going to get your Cottonelle, 2 Gain liquids. There's 2 different sizes there. You're going to get your softener and your Febreze for $11.40. Now we move on to a Tide deal for $9.85. You're going to get your Tide Pods, that's the large one, your Mr. Clean, your Febreze, and your Febreze plug. Again, $9.85. Moving on, we have a Snuggle, a Persil, your paper towels, and your toilet paper for $11.95. Make sure you're scanning that Snuggle. There is a $2 coupon, but I could not find it in the app to attach, so your total could go a little lower. On this one for $10.80, you're going to get 3 Kleenex, your Scott, your 2 different size Persil, and your Airwick warmer. Again, $10.80. We are moving into personal care. You're going to get your Pampers wipes, your Huggies diapers, your Aveeno baby wash, and 2 warmers for just $11.51. And on this deal, you're going to get your pull-ups, your easy-ups, and the wipes for $17.35. This deal for $15.91, you're going to get your Airwick warmer and 2 Pampers Easy Ups. Again, $15.91. For this one, you're going to get your Skin Cement razor, your shave gel, your Secret deodorant, and the Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner, or 2 of each, whichever one you want, for $9.50. On this one, you're going to get your Elvive, your Fructis, and your Whole Blends, 1 of each shampoo and conditioner. Again, $11.50 on this one. You're going to grab 2 Fructis, your Chic razors that you see there, and 2 Degree men's sprays for $10.50. For $11, you're going to get 2 of the Caress soap, the Skin Cement shave gel, and the razor, the Chic razor, and some Always liners for $11. So now we're going to talk about some instant savings and early activation. Early activation starts at 7 p.m. on Saturday. Your 2 sales cross over with your coupons. So you're going to get $5 instant savings on Allegra, Zysol, and a couple other items that you see listed there. If you get these items that are normally $10.50 each, you got your Zysol Children's and your Allegra Children's, they're normally $10.50 as I said, you're going to pay $5.50 each after instant savings. But you're going to save even more when you use the 5 off 1 coupons. So that's going to bring you down to just 50 cents each, or $1 for both of them. Again, that's after 7 p.m. And we all know it's allergy season, so this is a great time to stock up. And lastly, we have a clearance sale coming up from May 10th to the 12th. This is going to be core and seasonal. We will have more information coming soon. Be sure to like, follow, share, leave us a comment. Let us know what you're excited about, what you like, what you don't like, or just say hi. You can find us in all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. And we will be back with the next big deal. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.